guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diksha Dogra. I'm a manifestation coach. I put content on YouTube regarding manifestation, personal growth, personal development, and a mindset, how to have a growth mindset and live our life in a better way. Today I'm going to talk about, I'm going to share five top books which helped me a lot in my personal journey of becoming a manifestation coach, and even in fact after that. So that 5 books, if you are new to manifestation, if you want to be a coach, if you want to improve your manifestations, then these books can help you a lot. All right, so you don't need to grab a pen and paper to write to make a note of it. You can simply save this video and come to this whenever you feel like that this is the time I need to buy a book for myself. This is the time I'm ready to invest on myself. This is the point where I have hit a rock bottom, and now I need something as a guide which can help you to help me to come out of it and be a better version of myself. So these 5 books, I'm assuming that it will help you a lot. Personally, it helped me a lot in understanding a lot of things about myself, about the laws of nature, and how I can improve myself. First is You Can Heal Your Life. I'm referring my notes because I just didn't want to miss anything for you. So I'll be referring it. So first is You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. I read this book a couple of days back, and if you are a person who are going through any health issue, maybe any accident, why I read this book, someone recommended me, and my husband and I met with an accident, and we were going through very rough phase in our life. So that book gave us some understanding about why we met with an accident unintentionally, and how we need to take the best out of this time we have, right? So that's where I read that book. It helped me a lot. If you are going to have any limiting beliefs about yourself, about the things that is happening around you, give a shot to this book. That book is going to open your mind in a way you never imagined. All right, this helped me remember one quote from Zen, like have a beginner's mind. Okay, parachute only, mind is like a parachute, it only works when it's open. So just have open-minded approach to whatever you want to learn, and this book will definitely broaden your vision about manifestations and law of attraction, about why if few things are happening with you right now, why those things are happening, and how you can come out of it. So that is my first recommendation, You Can Heal Your Life, Louise Hay. Next is Magic. I read it years back, and by Rhonda Byrne. This book has a lot of information, lot of tips, tricks about how you can use gratitude in your daily life. Before that, when I was an ordinary person, I was just my understanding with gratitude is that if someone helps you in some way, gives you something which you want, that's where you come and say thank you. But no, I learned from this book that gratitude is not limited when someone helps you out, when someone gives you something. It's more than that. It's a state of being where we can manifest whatever we want in our life. We can extend gratitude to the things which we are looking forward to have in our life already, as if it's already happening in our life. If you want to learn the true power of gratitude, that is your book. Must read. I'm not saying that you should read, it's a must read. Simple books, anybody will understand the tips and tricks of that book. So any book, but don't just read it, implement whatever activities those are given in that book. Those are very simple activities, and it will help you in all the areas of your life, not in just one area. Then give this book a shot, and trust me, that book is going to change your life. Now, that was Magic by Rhonda Byrne. Next is Power of Now. That is the book my husband gave me when I started reading a couple of books, okay? So by Eckhart Tolle. Now, ultimate book to read. Now, you know that all we have is this present moment. There is no past where we are lingering on, and there is no future where we are being worried about. There is only one moment, one time, and that is the present time. That is what that book is going to teach you, that whatever you have is this present moment, and how you can make the best out of it, how you can use amazing mindful techniques. If you are a corporate person, if you have your own business, if you are a housemaker, whoever you are, read that book. That book is the ultimate read that will give you a lot of benefits in improving yourself, improving your relationships, improving your business, improving your money relationship, improving your health. So whatever it is, whatever your concern is, that book is the ultimate key to whatever you want to do. give it a shot and just try to read it very slowly. That is a little big book, but if you will read slowly, try to understand things, that book is going to help you a lot. So that was The Power of Now, by Eckhart Tolle. Now next is by my favorite, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, Joe Dispenza. Trust me, I didn't read his book in sequence. I started with, I think, placebo book, and then I read this book. Trust me, this book changed, my entire life, I will say. I have read number of books, I'm still reading, but still that book is, somehow, totally I have ingrained all the concepts in my mind very deeply, that no circumstances can actually change it. That's the power I have observed in myself after reading this book. I know whatever is happening, whatever current reality I am in right now, it is going to change, because I am going to change it. I'm going to change it, not by changing the reality, but by changing my inner state. Now, this book will give you a lot of concepts about your inner world and how improving that can help you improve your outer circumstances, your situations, and boost your manifestations. This is again must read. All the books I'm going to share in this video is must read, but I am telling you these things in sequence. So this is the fourth book you can go for too, because it has a lot of concepts. So basic, you will help with, start with, you can heal your life, then you can read Magic, Power of Now, then Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, so that you have similar concepts. In previous book you have little bit understanding about that, then this book will help you a lot. If you have read all those books and haven't given this one a shot, then go for it. If you feel like that, I don't want to read any previous book, I just want to read this one, that's your choice. Do it, and trust me, you will get 100% of whatever you wanted to do if you will implement whatever is mentioned in this book. Joe Dispenza has done a marvelous job in figuring out what went wrong and why went wrong in our life, and how we can make things happen in our life. So give it a shot, and trust me, it has changed my life, a lot of people, my personal client, it has helped them too. So if you want to be a coach, if you want to be manifest things, boost your manifestations, this book can help you a lot. Now the first book I read, and again my husband gave me this book, that is Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This is the first book I read about personal development. Whatever I have learned, I have heard these terms, affirmations, visualization, how imagination can help us to change our reality, how things happen in our life which are happening, and how the power of words can change our life. I have read everything for this, first time in this book, and I have read this book number of times, and I still read some pages, whenever I feel like that I need to read. And this book is a perfect material if you want to learn about the power of your subconscious mind, power of your own inner world, that you are the universe. Don't look out for the universe outside, you're a part of it. And this book will help you understand that. All the previous book will help you too, but these are, some concepts are not mentioned in the previous book. So give shot to all of these book in the sequence I have mentioned, and don't just read to read. This is the mistake I have done in my life, trust me. Initially, when I started becoming, doing this all coaching, talking to personal clients, taking seminars, webinars, I was like, I have read these books, I know this and this. When it comes to about doing things and talking to someone, you just forget, right? It happens. So that's okay. It happened with me a number of times. Then I understood why it is happening. So I was just reading to finish pages, to finish books. That's it. So don't just read to understand and implement. So here is what I will recommend you. RLRI, okay? Read, learn, review, and implement. Read, learn, review, and implement. You will never forget what you have learned, and trust me, this book will become your best friends to change your life, to be there in your incredible journey of becoming better version of yourself. Now you can use one more thing here. I learned it from Jim Quick. Okay, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's Pomodoro technique, where you can read for 25 minutes with your focus and take 5 minutes break, because we cannot be focused. our mind likes to wander, so it cannot focus on one thing for more than 25 minutes. So read book for 25 minutes, then take 5-minute break, whatever you want to do, or if you just have in your timetable you just have 25 minutes to read a book, then just read it and then close it. Then next day, before reading ahead, reading different pages, just review what you have learned so that you can implement those things. Now, if you feel like that I have 1 hour to read, then read 25 minutes, take 5-minute break and come back and read it again. That's how it is going to help you, and you will be able to remember. That's the purpose of creating this video, else I could have created a short or told you that what book you need to read, but I wanted to tell you out of my own personal experience that don't just read to read. I have done that mistake, and trust me, when you get interviewed by people, when you talk to people, you just forget things, and then you realize, oh, I feel so dumb, I have read this book, but why didn't I remember anything while talking to somebody? So just to avoid that situation where I was in once, so you can just use this technique, read, learn, review and implement. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge and action is what makes you powerful. All right, thank you so much. And if you are new here, if you feel like that this is helpful, I need to share it with someone, feel free to share it. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and welcome again to my family. If you want to be a part of my personal sessions or my group sessions, I take free sessions as well for as a group session only, then leave me a comment. I will definitely help you out in with the group link where you can join, and you will get all the updates of my upcoming free sessions and paid sessions. Now, if you feel like that I need some more help, then put your comment on this video. I'll definitely reach you out. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day ahead.